Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Yamaha R6 Supersport, 600 cc's, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This gorgeous matte gray finish. Bike just arrived with only 9,500 miles. It's got the fender eliminator kit, smoke dark windscreen. Come on by, make your super sport dreams come true. This awesome Yamaha R6. Frame sliders, I like that front look. Only $79.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.